Tagal. There you go.
There you go. Here we
There.
go.
Hi.
Hi,
We are
everyone.
live.
Hey, we are
Hi,
live, and today is October 11 here in Canada, and it's October 12 morning in the Philippines. And we are here again, late night talk with mompreneurs to share with you some inspiration and some online business insights. We are all mommies here who are working or who are doing online business, and today ang topic namin is what are the differences of our online business and other businesses. So other businesses, like we're talking about online selling, and we're talking about brick and mortar businesses. So yes, so kamusta naman guys? So Sis Yoli is outside
Yes.
right now.
Oo nga.
And
Again, yes,
Again?
she's out again. Business on the
I'm
go
in the
talaga ni
field.
Sis Yoli.
yes. So today I also wanna greet everyone from Canada. Happy Thanksgiving! It's our
Oh, happy
Thanksgiving weekend
Thanksgiving,
Happy
here in
Canada.
Canada.
Thanksgiving.
So Monday is the actual Thanksgiving, but yeah, everyone's preparing for the dinner
Mga
and
sis,
lunch.
I notice naka-long sleeve kayong lahat. It's starting to,
Yeah, it's
Cold,
cold na
yes, sis.
actually.
colder
Yep,
Oo,
there.
it's cold.
Get
it's getting
na,
colder. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
autumn na
Fall
kasi,
season.
Yeah.
We love autumn.
Yes, that's nice. Yeah, so asisimulan ko na. So by the way, my name is Reina Liza, and I'm from Canada. And so one of the differences between our online business and other businesses is that compared to brick and mortar businesses, we don't have a store. Our store is our Facebook page, our social media applications, and that's one thing that we want to emphasize, because this is online. We don't need to have a physical store, and we don't need to have an inventory. So it's different kasi when you have a brick and mortar, you are also yung kumbaga location wise, you're just serving people within that location.
Mhm.
But because we are online, we don't need the store, we don't need inventory, and also we are serving like global. So
Mhm.
we can do the business anywhere in the world. So as long as you have that internet and you have the devices, like we mentioned last week about the tools that we are using. So you have to have your laptop and cell phone, and of course the internet. So yeah, so that's one of the differences from of our business to other traditional businesses. So yes, Sis Hazel, how about you? What can you share to our viewers?
Yeah, so thank you so much, sis. Yung sa akin naman, what I like about the business, yung difference ng business na to from the other businesses out there is yung you can start the business according to your budget, of course, according to how you want to start your business. So napaka flexible siya. And even though whatever whatever level you want to start your business is, kahit na ngayon ka lang nag-start, you can reach a certain milestone. You can skip the business owner ahead of you. So ibig sabihin, we start everything, or everyone starts from the bottom, and everyone has the chance to go up there. So you don't stay in that level, but you can rank up as low or as fast as you want. So I think this is one of the differences na nakikita ko about this business compared to other businesses. Kasi we all have the equal chances to reach the certain milestone, and of course reaching that milestone, ibig sabihin yun, you have the growth, right? Not only
Mhm.
financially, but also on the personal level. So I think yun sis, yung isang difference. And with this yung flexibility on how you want to start or run your business, it's really up to you. Kasi It depends. You have no quota here, you have no deadlines, and you work on your own schedule. So, unlike, I think, sa ibang businesses na you have to reach that certain quota, you have to have that deadline. In here, you have no deadlines, you have no quota because you are your own boss. So, it really depends on you kung paano mo i-run yung business mo. If you want to run it fast, go. If you want to run it slow because you have some priorities, your families, your kids, then it doesn't matter because it's really up to you because you are your own boss. So, I think ito yung kagandahan ng business na ito compare sa other businesses. Yeah, Sis Dara?
Yes, so yeah, well explained, Sis Hazel and Sis Isa. And then, mine naman, the third one is, uh, most people, 'di ba? Most people, they don't want to start a business because they don't know how and where to start. But in this business kasi, we are in this business 90% is already done for us. Yun yung kaibahan ng business namin. So yung business, mga other businesses, mga brick and mortar, you know, traditional businesses and other online businesses, they do research pa na paano bang gagawin namin dito, hindi namin alam kung saan kami, alam mo yun, parang yun nga, hindi nagsisimula yung mga tao mag-business kasi natatakot sila ano yung gagawin namin. They're scared of like starting because wala silang background. Tulad namin, wala kaming business experience, 'di ba? So nung una, we're scared talaga kasi paano namin masasabi na mag-work yung business? Wala nga kami. Most of us in here are in the healthcare industry, and Sis Isa also wala din siyang experience when it comes to business. But in here nga, so since 90% is done for us, nakita namin agad kung paano namin gagawin. And we just followed, the step-by-step training, the video-based training, which is very helpful kasi it's there already. When we started the business, nandun na lahat siya sa computer. So, madaming mga business owners dito nagawa nila. Iba-iba kasi you can work on your own pace. So, mag-start yung iba, may 2 weeks na tapos yung training, iba naman 2 months, iba naman 5 months, ganyan. It depends on the person or the business owner that handles her or his business. So, yun yung kagandahan ng business na to compared to other businesses. So hindi mo kailangan mag-worry kung paano mo siya gagawin kasi nga meron ng system na sinusundan or meron kang kumbaga back office na tumutulong sa iyo kung paano mo i-run yung business mo. So you're not alone in this business, guys. May mentorship tayo and may mga coaches na magtuturo sa atin 24/7. So yun. How about you, Sis Yoli? What's your insight?
Hello mga sis, andito na naman ako outside, nasa field. You know, it's my daughter sa marching band competition nila. First day, first time.
Nice.
So they're done. Yeah, so anyway, back to business. So anong kaibahan ng yung other businesses sa online business natin, no? So ano ko muna sis, yung naalala ko, yung mga different businesses. Yun nga na-mention nyo yung mga brick and mortar, yung traditional business, like yung mga bakery, restaurant, yun. Tapos merong service business, like yung mga salon, yun. Tapos merong yung mga manufacturing o kaya franchise business. Malinaw ba ako, sis?
Yes.
Okay. So yung mga franchise, yung mga franchise businesses like yung halimbawa may mga boba store na gusto mong gayahin o kaya yung Jollibee or McDonald's, pwedeng another kind of business. So ang sa atin is online business, no? So that's why we are focused on doing our business in a social media or how do you call this, internet. So we need internet connection and then we need Wi-Fi, yun nga yun, at saka cellphone, laptop. And then ang sa akin sis, yung kaibahan ng business ng online, so ang coverage ng online business is global. So nakaka-reach tayo ng mga taong hindi natin kilala because nga yung internet connection is worldwide. Samantalang yung ibang mga businesses, yung na-mention ko, yung traditional, they are like local. Tapos, karamihan sa kanila, they do the service by themselves. Halimbawa, meron silang product, they do the service by their own. Halimbawa, merong vacuum cleaner, no? So silang nag-i-explain ng mga ganyan. Sa atin, we have our own service. So lahat ng information ng business natin is kaya nga nandoon sa workshop. Number yung step 1 natin, remember yung free workshop. Tapos may step 2 tayo, yung full details na merong one-time sign-in fee naman na refundable. So yun yung kagandahan sa atin. Tapos ang kaibahan is yung flexibility talaga. We have an on-the-go business. Ayan, ito kahit nasaan ako, nagagawa natin kahit saan, kahit nasa full-time job, pag naka-break, di ba? In between, nagagawa. Tapos ito ngayon, na-mention ko, ito nasa competition yung bunso ko kasi nasa marching band. So yan, first competition kaya hindi pwedeng ma-miss. So yan, so yan yung kagandahan ng business natin, online, global, very wide ang ating marketing at saka pwedeng local as well na pwede nating ma-share sa ating mga warm market, like mga friends and family. And then, yun nga yun, yung very flexible siya. Anytime you can do it on your own, free will, anytime and anywhere. So, yun sa akin. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Sis Yoli. And yeah, you can see, guys, that this business is on the go talaga. Kasi like Sis Yoli, she's out again this week. And
Yes.
she's still
Every
able
week.
to join. Yeah, and she's still able to join us. And for sure, even though she's there, she's still, checking on her business, checking on the inquiries. So I also wanted to add, there are also businesses, online businesses that they do online selling. So for us, we don't do the online selling. What we do is different. Like we do ads. We how do you call this? We try to share the business side of what we're doing because we want to help people to have an additional source of income. And we're doing that by inspiring them, sharing them this business that this might help you. And because yung business kasi namin, as Sis Dara mentioned, it's 90% done. It's because it's like a franchise. So nabanggit din ni Sis Yoli about the franchise thing. Para din siyang franchise kasi meron ng blueprint, right? So we call it blueprint because it's already like the system is already there. The training, the tools, the products, everything is already there. And our as a mentor, our job is to help you or to teach you the same exact way that we did when we started this business because we saw the potential of this business and we want to share it to the whole world. And because it's also global, we get to meet a lot of people. Now we haven't seen each other in person. So like I haven't met Sis Dara and Sis Yoli. I met Sis Hazel, but I met her when I went to the Philippines, but prior to that, magkakilala na kami ever since in the online world. So it's just so amazing to meet other people. How do I say this? People that has the same goals and values as you have. Na mamimit mo sila online, and then when you see them in person, it's just like you've met them for like 10 years already, like parang ganun, di ba? So yes, so yun yung gusto ko lang i-share. Any other things na gusto nyong i-mention?
Gusto
Yes,
ko lang share yung na-share ni Coach Tigis sa akin before when I interviewed her. She's she's living in the US, and actually prior to starting this business, she started an online business on Amazon. Yeah, so she has to do everything. She applied for, like, she did the research, what products to sell on Amazon, what to sell online. She has to look for where to get those products, and she has to ship the product from the source going to her house. And one room is just full of the stocks. And then, of course, she also has to train herself. So she looked for trainings on online marketing like that, and she just purchased the training, and by herself. She just have to learn by herself. In our case, we already have that. We have the product research, we have the training already, which is a world class, and it's get updated all the time, and we have the mentorship. So already it's already laid out for us, ready na siya. So for her, parang break even lang siya, and it really cost her a lot of stress. So she looked for other ways, what other online businesses, and she is so grateful, and she felt blessed because she found this business. So yeah, so isa yun sa mga gagawin mo pa if you really have to start from scratch.
From scratch,
Do the
yes.
research, everything, yeah. And but in this business, you don't have to start from scratch because everything is already set up for you. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Sis Hazel. Anything, Sis Dara?
Yeah, I just wanna add lang 'no, yung ang sinabi din ni Sis, Isa kanina in connection to that, kami yung mga if you can see like maybe some of you guys, have watched us before na nagpa-flash sa social media niyo or sa Facebook, sa Instagram or sa YouTube, nakikita niyo kami because we are social media advertiser. So like yung mga other na nakikita nyo na nagpa-flash sa screen nyo na mga advertisements, we're like that. We're like that. Because we are promoting this business globally. Like what Sis Yoli have said kanina. Kami yung mga tao na yon na nag-encourage, not encourage naman, but to inspire you guys because this business is so beautiful na kahit saan mo talaga siya pwedeng gawin.
Yes.
Kahit literally yan si Sis Yoli nga, parang every week na iba yung background niya, iba kasi nga every week kung saan siya namin nakikita. But then she has her business na lagi niya talagang kasama because she has her phone, right? And she's with us right now because of the internet connection. That's the beauty of it. Hindi natin kailangan mag-worry about all those tools because we have it in our fingertips right now. So yun yung maganda sa business. So Sis Yoli, go ahead. Yeah.
Sis,
Go
gusto
ahead,
ko lang
Sis.
i-clarify about what I've said a while ago that I'm not saying that having business on Amazon is not good. I'm not saying that. What my point was, I was trying to say is that in this business you don't have to start from scratch. Yeah, so everything is ready for you. Yeah. Sis Yoli.
Yeah, thank you, sis. So, i-add ko lang, sis, kasi itong business opportunity is not limited to a certain people only o yung may mga degree holder. Ito talagang business natin is for everyone. Hindi kailangan ng diploma. So, talagang each one of us, every one of us have the potentials to enjoy the benefits of this business. So meron tayong mga all walks of life. Meron tayong mga teacher, mga firemen, nurses, mga doctors, engineers. Tapos meron tayong full-time mom, just like Sis Hazel. So all walks of life talaga na meron nga tayong drop out sa high school na very successful talaga sa business. At saka talaga yung age talaga 18 and above are welcome. Yung anak ko nga nag-join na siya at the age of actually 21 siya this coming November. So it's a legacy na pwedeng ilipat sa mga anak natin at the same time pwedeng maging business owner at an early age. So hindi na nila kailangang mag-antay na mag-retire tayo bago sila makapag-start ng business. So you have an option. Pwedeng ipamana, pwedeng maging partner right away. Kasi nga, ang potential ng business is sky is the limit. Nasa sayo na lang talaga. Again, it's not an overnight success. Kailangan talaga yung mindset mo, malakas din. Andun yung patience mo, andun yung resilience. Kasi not all the time talaga is there is a tough times also, but you have to learn how to take that as an advantage pag medyo nasa nasa, alam mo yon na merong challenges. So take that as an example na to improve yourself. Kasi our business itself is proven and it changed so many lives for the better. So kaya nakaka-inspire to
Yep.
share. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you, sis. Thank you, sis Yoli. So yes, so there you go, guys. We've shared with you ano yung differences between our online business and other businesses. This topic is to for you guys to see the difference kung ano ginagawa namin, not to say na hindi tama, na hindi maganda yung mga business ng iba, you know.
Mhm.
All businesses have all businesses, whether we're doing online or brick and mortar, we all have challenges, and it's not always gonna be easy. And that's what I also, that's what I also learned when, doing this business, na lahat talaga paghihirapan mo. But for us, what we are trying to say is we have this system set up already. And as we've said, you don't need to start from scratch, and we are also here to help and guide you along the way. So yes, so that's it for today. And thank you so much for
Let's
everyone.
invite them first.
Yeah,
Sis.
we're gonna invite them. So thank you so much for everyone who have watched us or who are going to watch us in the replay. And yeah, so this is the part where we're going to invite you to watch our free workshop. So we offer a free workshop for you guys to have an idea about this business. Yes, Sis Hazel.
Yeah, for those who watches, there are two watching right now. Thank you so much,
Thank you for
sister.
watching. Thank you.
And my cousin. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you
for
for
Thank
watching.
you. Thanks so much.
Yeah,
Go
so
ahead, sis.
yeah, thank you for watching. And yes, we are inviting you to watch our free workshop so that you can, have an idea how this business works, and then you can also have an informed decision whether this business is for you or not. So you can reach out to us. You can reach out to our Facebook page. You can message us. And we have our own website in our Facebook page. So should we mention our website here? We can
Yes,
mention.
yes.
So my website is www.rbayso.com. Sis Hazel.
www.hazelgaliarteonline.com. Sis Isa?
Yes,
Sis Dara, sorry.
yes, www.learnwithdara.today. And Cici Oli, what's yours? You're
Nakamute ka, sis.
muted ka.
Nakamute
Muted.
ka, sis.
Mine is www.yolandasampila.com.
Yes, there you go. So
All
yes, so
right.
thank you so much, everyone. Have a great week. Have a great weekend to everyone.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Until next
watching. Bye.
time.
See
Thank
next
you.
week,
Till
guys.
next time.
Thank you.
Bye.